On July 22nd, police tried stopping a car, but unidentified teen driver refused to stop, prompting a chase of nearly 10 minutes. Around 7:15 that evening, the driver lost control, colliding into a tree on Black Dog Alley.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Do it now!
Let me see your hands!
Hands out the window! Hands out the window!
Watch crossfire.
I can't see anything out here moaning and stuff.
I can't either.
Hands out the window!
Alright, just cover me. I'll check on them.
Come back here. Back here. Lane, you got it?
Hey, let me see your hands! Whatever you threw out the window, let me see your hands now!
Hands!
Let me see your hands!
Open that back door if you can. Open the back door.
Yeah.
Hey, cover me here, Russ.
Hey, his hand's moving here.
Cover me here.
His hands are moving here. Stay where you're at. Hands are moving here.
Hey, let me see your hands. Stick them out. Stick them out. Stick them out. Stick your hands out the window. Do it now. Do you hear me? It's the sheriff's office. Stick your hands out the fucking window right now.
Stick your hands out the window now!
Well, I'm not playing with you. Stick your hands out the fucking window. Stick your hands out the window. If you keep reaching, you're going to get shot if you pull something out. You understand me? Climb out this fucking window right here. Bro, I'm not playing with you. Climb out this window.
Please open the door.
Hey, bro. Bro, do you have any weapons? Okay, look at me.
I'm out here.
Hey, we're here to help you now. Climb out this window. He's got, it's clear.
Turn it, when you get out, turn and face the car. Turn and face the car.
Please, God, please,
I know, but you gotta turn it.
Let me see your right hand. Put your right hand out. Do you have any weapons? Okay, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hey, I'm here to help you now, okay? I need you to climb out this window. Put your right hand. Right hand. He's got, it's clear.
When you get out, turn and face the car. Turn and face the car.
Please, God, please,
I know, but you gotta turn and face the car right now. No, turn and face the car.
Ah, my stomach.
Climb out this window.
Can you just get him out of here?
Oh, I gotta get this other girl out. It's not gonna move, bro. It's not gonna move.
Step this way, please.
I
Step this
can't.
way, come on.
I can't.
See if you can get that front passenger door open. Is there a passenger there? Yeah. Hey, bro, hold on. Stay right there. Your seatbelt's still on, okay? Hey, sit up. Sit up. I gotta get your seatbelt.
Come on me.
Sit up.
Walk this way.
Sit up. I gotta get your
Why can't you?
I need medical.
Yeah, they're on the way.
Can you step this way?
But there's other people in the car that we have to help, and you're in the way.
Let me see your other
Okay?
hand.
Can y'all respond out to 32, that's 32, Mount Pleasant Avenue?
I'm Officer Lane with the Easton Police. We all have cameras that are recording, all right?
Somebody registered domestic disturbance with his son at this time. 17-year-old son's on location.
Everything?
They are arguing,
How old are you?
and the son is trying to leave the residence.
Huh?
14.
The son that always leaves the house or doesn't come home.
Was it just the 4 and the 5?
I just did it.
Stay down, okay?
I'm not moving.
I know, but it's going to probably be better for you if you kind of just relax on the ground.
He was driving. He was driving. Come on.
What hurts you? Your chest.
You wrecked. Hop out. Yes. You crashed your car.
Can you get this? I can see her. Can you get this door open?
You gotta climb out,
Yeah.
bro. Can you move your legs? All right, come on, climb out this window. Yeah, my leg is stuck. Climb out this window. I can't. I need my help, bro.
Can you get it?
Just a second. You were driving.
All right, cover your face. Cover your face. All right, can you get to the door over there, okay?
What door?
Come on, get to the door.
What door?
The one to your right.
Can you move?
Over there.
It's not open.
Is your leg stuck? Hey, is your leg stuck? Yeah. Okay.
There's 4 in there. Rest of them in there. One response. Well, keep moving now.
Can you get her?
Put it this way.
Here, hold on.
Are you able to get out? Are you able to get out?
Get your way back towards the officer. We'll pull you out, okay?
Stay back this way.
Be careful, you got a bunch of glass under you, okay?
I'm going to break this off.
Take that one.
What's hurting right
Okay.
now? No, you're good, man. You're good.
Okay.
She's agonal breathing. No seatbelt. Okay. She's fired before. She's really agonal breathing right now. Eyes are open. You can't get her out. She can't move her. He doesn't want us to move her. Okay.
All right, you guys go with her. I'm gonna go tend to them.
On the way.
All right, bro. Look, come on.
What the fuck happened?
You wrecked out. Come on.
What?
You wrecked. Come on, hop out. You wrecked. Hop out. Yes. You crashed your car. Come on. Come on. It's fine. Hop out. You gotta climb out, bro. Can you move your legs? All right. Come on. Climb out this window.
Yo, help.
I just hit it.
Ah, fuck, help me, bro.
Climb out this window,
I can't, I need your help.
bro. Hold on just a
Who
second.
was driving?
You were driving.
Pull me out. Pull me out.
Dispatcher 183, you told us
Ah, fuck, I can't feel my legs.
Come on.
Can you move? You're moving.
Put your head under. Come on.
Ah, fuck.
Is your leg stuck? Hey, is your leg stuck?
Yeah.
Okay.
Help.
No, there's 4 in there. The rest of them in there. Yeah. One response. Well, she's moving now. There. Put your hand this way. Put it this way. Put it this way. Yep.
Fuck.
Can you look? Are you stuck? Are you stuck in there?
Hold on.
Just keep your hands out here.
What the fuck happened?
Hey, just keep your hands out here.
Is your leg stuck, bro? Okay, stay right there then. Just sit right there.
Bro, help me, bro.
We're trying, but if your legs are stuck, we can't get your legs unstuck. We got to get the fire department. All right?
What the fuck happened?
Hey, we got
Station 50. Now, for years, you can see with a trap and area 83. One black dog alley.
Help me, bro.
It's pinned by the alarm.
611, just be advised, I'm going to have at least 4 patients at this time. Go ahead and give me the third medic unit.
She's starting to move a little bit, but
Here, look. Hey, here.
oh, it's in fire too for possible extraction.
No, can't get out.
You gotta stay tight, bro. If your legs are stuck, you gotta stay tight.
Can you move your left leg at all? Can you move? All right, just look, just stay there.
Just stay there. Don't move, bro. Your leg is pinned in. You gotta stay right there, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
No, you're good, man. You're good. Just sit. Just chill. We can't pull you out with your leg pinned in like that.
Go ahead and give me a second.
Leave her alone. Don't touch her. Don't touch her.
On the front, no in the back. Pull me out.
You got 2 out already?
2 out, yeah. Total 4.
No one else in the back, right?
Officer, he is responding. Paragraph 51 responding 1921. He is responding to the rescue box 69. Officer 611.
Hey, sit there. I gotta cut this. No, move your hand. I gotta cut this. I don't want to cut you. I want to be able to freaking see.
604. And 16 responding 1921. G611667. Station on the priority 1. Clear home. And once the rescue gets out, or my second rescue gets out, we're gonna have to do a fast roll. We'll probably go ahead and take
Is there any weapons in here, bud? Okay. All right. What's your name? I can't help you out yet.
What's your name, man?
Where do you live at? You know that?
I know.
Your
Fire
fire
trucks are coming to get you, okay? Your leg is pinned in right there. It's fine. You're good.
It's this. Is she breathing at all? Okay. Oh, she's moving. All right.
That's right, we're learning that.
We need more than medical. We'll probably. Hold on.
Bro, you gotta sit tight, okay?
This tragic incident serves as a sobering reminder of how quickly things can escalate during police chases. The driver, who caused the crash, was taken into custody after receiving medical attention, but one life was lost, and others were seriously injured. While questions remain about what prompted the initial stop, this footage underscores the importance of making safe decisions on the road. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video insightful, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns of police body camera footage.